Hello and welcome to another episode of Unboxing with Paul. And today I'm very excited to bring you Tecno's AX1800 Wi-Fi router. Let's take a look at it. So this router can be currently found on Tecno's Amazon shop for only $79.99, and it does feature an 800 megahertz dual-core processor along with a 1200 megabit per second speed on the 5 gigahertz band and the 570 megabit per second speed on the 2.4 gigahertz band. Let's go ahead and get this open. Mind you, this is my first time unboxing a router on the channel, so I'm not gonna do the setup of it. I'm just gonna do a very quick unboxing and let you guys figure out the rest, as it tends to be pretty easy setup nowadays. Toss aside, and let's go ahead and first off, we look at the packaging. This is some very nice glossy packaging with a nice glossy picture at the top and some holographic labeling up at the front. And we flip it over to the back, we can see some nice designs, some nice diagrams on the back to let you know how you're going to be plugging this in. Of course, you are going to need already an existing DSL or cable modem, as this is just a router for you to either expand your network wirelessly or for you to add more ports for you to plug stuff into. Let's go ahead and get this open. Okay. So now something to note is that the main Ethernet port is going to be a 1 megabit port, with the 4 supporting ports also, the 4 LAN ports also being 1 megabit as well. I finished unboxing this. We're going to put the router aside for right now, and it looks like in the box we do get an Ethernet cable as well as a wall adapter cable, and that's it. There's not much else in the box. So let's put this aside and let's go ahead and look at the actual router. Pop this open. Sorry, headphones users. Okay, and then mandatory peel. I bumped the microphone, I'm so sorry. Alright, well here it is. It's a very, very glossy plastic, as you all can see. And we have not 1 or 2, but 3 and 4 different antennas for maximum range and efficiency, which is actually quite good in my opinion. The router itself feels actually quite light. There's not much weight to it. But again, back here we do have our main 1 gigabit port, followed by our 4 LAN ports. They're also 1 gigabit as well. And I do believe the setup is fairly simple. You would just type in your browser. I believe it is 192.168.188.1 in the address to visit the router's management page. And then you're going to be able to set up both your Wi-Fi name, your password, and I think you're also going to be able to see a list of devices that are currently using your network as well, in case you wanted to see if there was somebody hogging up bandwidth. And let me know what's your thoughts on this, or what are your experiences with budget Wi-Fi routers, as I have honestly never had the need to use one. Usually the Wi-Fi box that I get from my provider, or the Wi-Fi box that I get from using a hotspot, tends to be quite adequate, and I've never really had the need to expand my current Wi-Fi reach further than what it currently is. Make sure you comment and subscribe. Don't miss out on a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I think we're at 3 subscribers away from the time of filming this right now, and we're so close. We're going to give away another Alcatel Droid Tab 2 tablet, just like we did for our 750 subscriber special, which you can watch by clicking up here. And as always, thanks for watching.